What is going on, everybody? So welcome to my channel, A's Garage. This is gonna be my first episode on this channel, or video. I don't know why I said episode. Anyway, if you guys are here, you probably have an interest for vehicles or cars or mechanics or something of that sort. You guys have been watching me just washing my car. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what you're watching. It's Thanksgiving Day right now, and nothing else I could really do. And the weather was kind of gloomy last night, you know. Got my car all dirty, so thought I'd give it a little wash. Here's my car. It's a 2001 Volkswagen Jetta, a 1.8 turbo. Yes, it is a 4-speed automatic, before anybody starts blasting on me about that. What are those? I'm not trying to do any major modifications to it, just because of the fact that it's an automatic. So yeah, I don't want to do too many mods to it because it's still an automatic, and I'm just trying to save up so I can afford a new one that's a manual transmission, hopefully. But yeah, this channel is going to be based or consist of car vlogs or car videos of modifications I do to my car or my friends' cars or anything car related, you know, car shows or drag strips or anything. And just, you know, comment down below what you guys want to see. I'll be more than happy to make, you know, videos of what you guys want to see. Anyway, go ahead, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like down below, leave a comment what you'd like to see next. Yeah, this is my first video on this channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.
There was a time when you had me fall into the